We are facing most likely one of the largest snowstorms in the history of this city, in the recorded history of this city. The early projections for this storm are that it would easily be as much as 2 feet of snow, potentially pushing on closer to 3 feet of snow.
Because of the duration of this event being almost 2.5 days, we anticipate that this is going to be an extended response. The city's prepared with over 15,000 tons of salt.
The temperatures at night are going down into the 20s, so anything that appears wet, I like to tell people, assume it's ice and just slow down.